Hello and welcome to WEA's STEM in Sports workshop. I'm Al Gonzalez and I'm one of your two trainers for this wonderful workshop. And I want to help you get started on this great journey. When you start Module 1, and for every module, you're going to see kind of a similar pattern. We start with a slideshow which uses Pear Deck, and I want to get to that in a second. And we then go into some discussion forums. That is a powerful way for you to put your learning out there and to collaborate with others and share the learning with each other. And some of the modules also have a end product that you share through Flipgrid, which if you haven't used Flipgrid, you're going to love it. So we can see and learn from each other. But to get you started, I want to show you how to use this Pear Deck. So when you first click on the module, you're going to see this login to Pear Deck screen. Now, the Pear Deck that we've got for you uses a Google login. So if you don't have a Google account, if you don't mind, open up a new tab and get yourself a Google account. Or if you have a school Google account, use that. Because I want to show you the power of Pear Deck to make your presentations interactive. And if you already have a Google account, use it. And you have a choice if you have a personal Google and a school Google, which one you want to use. I'm logging in using my school Google account. One of the nice things about Pear Deck is it starts by taking a climate check of your classroom. So you can start off by saying how you feel, or you can skip it, which is also very telling. Once you do your climate check and tell us how you're feeling, you will see the first slide. Now, if the slide is just a slide, you can advance to the next one. And you can see here there are 16 slides, and this is on student pace mode, so you go at your own pace. And here are your lovely presenters, me, Al, and Tammy. And we've got this great quote we found about STEM. But some of these slides you see are interactive. You see the slide and there's a question that goes with it. And feel free to respond to these questions. And you can always go back and change your answer as well. Because once you get to the end, all your answers will be saved and we can see them. Another feature, if you see this icon, headphones, click on it and play the sound file. This is one of the biggest misconceptions about STEM. And then you can move on to the next. Some of the slides have links. So you have a question, it says write your answer in the text box. Here's the text box. And you just click on the link. We've got some articles for you to read. And then you can go and share your responses here. And then move on to the next. Now some slides have draggable items. This is one of the features of Pear Deck, in which case you will move these to answer the questions. And this is a rank and sort slide. Some slides have a link to an article we need you to read showing on the interactive side. But this one, for example, it's not showing. And that can be easily solved by clicking on the link right here, and it'll open it up in a new tab. And then we've got some follow-up questions for you. Now the nice thing is, oftentimes the discussion forum questions that we have are questions that you had to grapple with in this slideshow. So this is great because you then get to hear from the people you're taking this course with. So that's how you use the Pear Deck feature with this course. We hope you enjoy. We're very excited to bring this to you, and we look forward to seeing what you create in Module 4.